Have you ever wondered about the silent giants that shape our world, the very air we breathe? Let's dive into the incredible role trees play in regulating our planet's climate. Their influence is far-reaching, impacting everything from the temperature we experience to the weather patterns that define our lives. Trees are the planet's natural air conditioners, absorbing carbon dioxide, a major greenhouse gas, during photosynthesis. This process not only cleanses the air, but also releases life-giving oxygen, the crucial element for all living creatures.
This remarkable ability makes trees vital in mitigating the effects of climate change. But the benefits extend beyond carbon sequestration.
Forests act as massive sponges, absorbing rainfall and preventing soil erosion. They help regulate water cycles, ensuring consistent water supplies for communities and ecosystems alike. They also provide habitats for countless species, fostering biodiversity and maintaining the delicate balance of nature. However, the story isn't all sunshine and fresh air. Deforestation, driven by human activities like agriculture and logging, poses a significant threat. The loss of forests disrupts these crucial climate control mechanisms, leading to increased carbon dioxide levels, altered rainfall patterns, and the loss of invaluable biodiversity. The impact extends beyond environmental concerns. It directly affects human lives. Communities reliant on forests for their livelihoods face hardship due to deforestation, and vulnerable populations are more exposed to the devastating effects of climate change, from extreme weather events to water scarcity. Consider the Amazon rainforest, often called the lungs of the planet. Its vast expanse crucial for global climate regulation. Its dwindling size due to deforestation is a stark reminder of the fragility of this ecosystem and the consequences of our actions. We've seen the undeniable benefits, but also the serious threats. The challenge before us is clear: to protect and restore our forests, to ensure their continued role in regulating our planet's climate. This requires a global commitment to sustainable practices, reforestation efforts, and responsible resource management. One small step, planting a tree, might seem insignificant, but collectively, such actions can make a monumental difference. Imagine the collective impact of millions of trees planted across the globe, a testament to our collective ability to change the course of history. This journey into the world of trees and climate control unveils a complex yet essential relationship. Understanding their role is the first step toward ensuring a sustainable future, one where the silent giants continue to play their crucial part in maintaining the delicate balance of our planet.